We got issues. Like, not me, like the build's got issues. I don't know what to measure off anymore. It's like everything else. Oh yeah, like my haircut, did that myself. So, I got the roof all squared away. I'm just gonna weld that. I'm gonna weld that. They match up like pretty nicely. But I gotta make sure I don't know what's what. I got tires, none of this is straight. So, I gotta find something to square up on. I'm gonna just have to go with shock towers. Yeah, it's a 1/4 inch iron. We're gonna lower this. We'll raise that. You ever do something and then just like feel dumb? Like you ever do something and you're like, no, but seriously, you ever do something, you're like beating your head against the wall and you just can't seem to figure it out. You're like, why is none of this moving? It's because you got like a pile of bricks under it. Or maybe you got like a pile of marble under it. Dude, there's so much weird stuff. Like, why is there just a block there? Okay. So let's just use the bumper. Who cares? Lift this car up a little bit. Oh yeah, that makes some sense. Okay. Now get this thing out of here. Yeah, everyone wants that. That's heavy. Marble out. It wouldn't crack. That's good. That was my problem, was the that was still under the tank for my whole moving around thing. I'm like trying to level everything. It's just all off by a 1/2 inch. None of it will move unless I move the wrong way. It's just, I mean, this kind of lines up with that a little bit. And this kind of lines up with that a little bit. The right side's down. We got a right side down. Oh, we gotta put air in the tires now. Remember? Yeah. I guess I can do it with a jack and just put it where I need, but air is pretty cool too. Alright, now we just add some air. Now we just add some air. We lift this up. Lift that up. Working nicely, as planned. Super fill it to where it was. Should get my height back. Yeah, the plan was to weld the back on, then widen it, but it looks like I should probably pull the fenders out now while everything's apart. It's so annoying. Alright, that's next. Alright, finally using some tools here. 10, maybe. Yeah, pulls right out once you get those things off, see? Pop that right out. Now you gotta cut that bucket and widen that thing. See this other guy out too. This one's like arching these in. There you go. some more. We're gonna slice the bottom, slice the back, and just pull it out, weld it all back together. Get that? Watch. So I gotta cut the corners out of the gas tank and free that. And then I probably need to cut the fender open to about here so that it comes out nicely. But I'm just gonna stretch it a little so it just goes straight back. Totally screwed up that gas tank thing. No idea they made it two separate panels. Like, thank you. It would have been easier if I'd known that. Sawzall. Yeah, do a little tight over here, I guess. Fender time, bro. Oh yeah, we got wide body. Ah, wide body time. But now I can stretch this thing as wide as I want.